Seeing the asset categories in P&G's balance sheet right after the lecture about the main assets was a great way to show you how what we are studying is applied in practice. Let's do the same thing here, shall we? We studied the main liabilities category, and if we open P&G's balance sheet, we should be able to find some there. Plus, we'll see what other categories have been included in the firm's balance sheet. Okay, here we go. We have accounts payable, accrued and other liabilities, liabilities held for sale, and debt due within 1 year. In our previous lesson, we talked mostly about accounts payable, also known as trade payable. Accrued liabilities are liabilities that reflect expenses on the income statement that have not been paid. For example, if we are preparing an income statement on the 31st of December and our 6-month rent for the period July through December is due to be paid by the 15th of January of next year, we will show an expense in the P&L which would reflect a rent cost for the period, and we'll have an accrued liability on our balance sheet. So that's that. Liabilities held for sale is a very unusual item. These are liabilities of a project or an entity that was held for sale. If P&G intends to sell one of its subsidiaries or projects, it adds these liabilities here. And finally, the current portion of debt is also shown among current liabilities. These are the borrowings the company must repay within the next 12 months. Okay, perfect. Let's continue with non-current liabilities. Here we have long-term debt, representing the company's financial borrowings. Deferred income taxes are the opposite of deferred tax assets. These are taxes that are due but have not been paid yet. Other non-current liabilities is a generic category, grouping several types of liabilities. Let's search for other non-current liabilities and see what we have here in more detail. Here is the table recapping other non-current liabilities. So, we have pension benefits, other post-retirement benefits, provisions for uncertain tax positions, and then other liabilities that do not fall in any of these categories. These are P&G's liabilities. Thanks for watching.